You're wondering how many people do it, how I do it, how a lot of people do it, that they build a dropshipping business and from 0 to 10,000 to 50,000, 200,000 in less than 6 months. Is it possible? I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in this video. If you want to make some really good cash, I'm not talking about making $5, $10, that's small money. If you want to make some really good money, then I recommend you watch this video to the end. I'll be showing you how to jumpstart a dropshipping business, has $0, has zero subscribers, has zero views or zero interest, something that can become a brand. That's exactly what we're talking about in this video. It's not going to be a lengthy video. I'm going to give you the elementary information of it so you can understand, make up your mind if to jump into it or not. Now, this is what we're doing. First of all, this is a website that you could come in here and get a supplier. But how can you build a business from $0 to $100,000 in 6 months? This is it. The first things first is that if you want to start a dropshipping business, you need to first of all to understand who are you selling to. If you don't know who you're selling to, then you are not selling. There's no point in starting a business because you need to understand who is my target audience, what's my business persona, who am I looking out to get. That's the first question. So ask yourself that question and answer it. Who is my client or audience or customers? Very important. Get this question out of your head. Now, how do you get to the answer of this? Think of the income revenue of this person. Where the person stays. Is it male, female? Is it others? There are people who are tempted by that. Others. Is it in top tier countries, below countries? Is it father? Is it mother? Children, the age brackets, gender. These are the things you look at when picking your audience. This will also help direct how you sell or what you sell to them. So getting out this question, who is your client or audience? The next question you need to get out of your head is what product do you want to sell? What product are you looking to sell? Since you've gotten the ideal customer, what is that product that you think you would sell that will make you good money? I always say in this channel, please don't sell cheap products. Cheap products are no, because you really cannot make a lot of money from cheap products. The more expensive the product is, the more money you make. Now, I've made a video before that talked about how to pick products or the kind of products you pick, that will make you a whole lot of money. About 6 products. If you want to watch that video, click on the video that pops your screen anywhere here and go to that video at the end of this video. Guys, don't jump to that video yet. Finish this video because the information here that you need to complement information in the other video. Let's come back here. All right, don't distracted. So what do you need to do? So you need product. For example, I usually go on Alibaba. Now I go on Alibaba and AliExpress, not because I just want to have an idea of the kind of product I'll be selling. All right. So not because this would give me a definite product. So for example, let's say I'm targeting women. All right. So let's put wigs. All right. I would definitely not buy wigs from Alibaba or AliExpress. Let's say wigs. Okay. Click on wigs. See what they have for us on the wigs. So these are very good. 80K, 85K, 146. We have all of this going on. It's a very nice, beautiful hair. The problem with hair, very tricky. So please, if you're going to do hair, make sure you have some experience with this because it can hurt you from the beginning. Yes. So assuming that this is what I want. But then this price I'm seeing here, I don't like them. They're very cheap. If you want to sell very expensive products, I will not do hair. I'll just do, let's say I go on chandelier. Chandelier lights, also a very good one. So you look for a bit more expensive. For example, this is 983,000 naira. This is naira. It's almost like $1 million naira. This is like $1,000. Okay. So if I'm going to sell this, I can sell this for $2,000, meaning that I make some good money, like $1,000 extra. That's what I mean. This is for 460,000 naira. This is about roughly $300 or thereabouts. I'm going to sell this for $600 or $700. I'm sure you get what the idea is. So first of all, sell products that are expensive because you're trying to hit a figure. You're trying to hit $100,000. So sell products that can give you $10,000 as profit. So for example, let's check on that product. Let me check indoor elevator. This is a product I'm currently selling. Like I said on this channel, I do not hide what I sell. So it's you're free to jump into it. The sky is big, all right, for both of us. The indoor elevator. Now you see this is a better product to sell. This is about 6.2 million. This is about 8.5 million. This is about 10 million. So what you do is that you sell this for 20 million, and 20 million is about $20,000 or $15,000 if I'm not mistaken. This is exactly how you make money, all right, from zero to $100,000 because you sell items that give you more profit and sell items that give you very small profit. So we've gotten a product out of it. So the answer of the question to what you sell has been answered, which is what you sell. Sell products are expensive, give you more profit. People are trying to hit $100,000 in 6 months. So there's no time to play, no time to goof around, no time to check very flimsy product. This time, hit the ground and run. All right. So the next thing we'll be looking at, the next product we'll be checking out now, apart from what you sell, is who will help you deliver, which is your supplier. Next question is, who is your supplier? This is very important. This is as important as the product. This is as important as the customer, because if you have an order and your supplier breaks the deal or does not supply it, then you're in a terrible situation. So who is supplier? Very important. Get your supplier right. That's where this website comes in. CJ Dropping, dropshipping.com. I'm nowhere affiliated with them. I have not with them. I just use them to get suppliers. All right. So if you already have a store, please connect to gain more services. All right. That's that for that. So you could simply here, they would help you. So let me come here and type in indoor elevator. You see, search. You see what I mean by using them. You sell with source. So they are the supplier. So when you have an order, they will be the one to, so you have to sign up. All right. Which I don't want to do. All right. I already have CJ in another email, but that's what this does. All right. You would simply, let's go back. Don't do this. Back. All right. So what it does is that it's going to show you that particular product. So if you see here, let me just view more. So you see there's several products in here. So what you do when somebody comes on your website to book a product or order a product, they would deliver it for you. They have their percentage that they charge. The percentage is really not high, right? But come on, they're helping you solve a problem you don't really know how to solve, which is getting a supplier, helping you with a supplier. I mean, they are the supplier. I mean, another website that can also help you with getting a supplier is this particular website called Duba. But the problem with Duba is that you have to pay, have a pricing. Yeah. So you click on it, click on pricing, you'll see they have startup $100 per month, business and then for $7 per month. In my opinion, I think it's ridiculous. You don't go this route when you're just starting. I'm not saying that service is ridiculous. I mean, paying for service like this is ridiculous. You don't have to go this route just yet. You need to first of all have started the business, earn some cash before you start investing in things like this. But hey, who am I? If you want to jump on it, please go ahead. I'll leave the link in the description, that can help you do all of this. All right. So the next one I'll show you, which is the last one, not the list, is inventory source. Do the same thing. All right. When you order, they also help you build a dropshipping software. They have free directory of dropshipper suppliers. So if you click on get started here, it's going to take you, please, if I'm being too fast, go back and watch the video again and again and again. You get the value out of it. So they have the wholesalers, so you can come on here, sign. You can get started for free, but then it is not for free. You also have to pay to use inventory source. I don't know why it's taking too long to load, but that's how they work. So that's it, guys. You need to be able to get these three things out of the way: the customer, the product, and also get the supplier, which is also very, very important. And the fourth thing, which is not the last thing, from 0 to 100, remember, 0 to $100,000, is having a Facebook ad account. That Facebook ad account can help you, in putting these things together, because you need to run ads. You run ads on Instagram, run ads on TikTok, right? If you want me to make a video on how to run ads on TikTok, let me know in the comments. I'll make that video just for you. But then you have to run ads, and this is how it works. You come on Facebook and you run ads. But very importantly is something I want to show you, which is where a lot of people get it wrong, is where is it? Where many people get it wrong is the budget. What is the budget now? You're hiding from me. Okay, this is it. The budget for your ad has to be on point. You cannot want to make $100,000 and you're spending $2, $3 per day. It's not possible. When you've seen a working product for yourself, a winning product for yourself, you don't know how to identify a winning product. Watch video that pops on your screen and you'll see how that happens. But if you get a winning product, you've seen using all the metrics I explained in that video, I want you to then go ahead and splash some money on it. Spend money on it. If you don't spend money, guys, you won't make money. Because people need to see this. The more people that see this, the more opportunity or tendency for you to make more money. So this is just the elementary or surface value of how to get started. But then if you're serious about drop shipping and you want to dive deep into it, you want to take this by the horn, you could let me know in the comment section or send me a message to WhatsApp number on your screen that you really want to get started with drop shipping and you want to focus on this. And I will show you exactly how to go about it, what you need to do, and things to put in place. Please do not approach any business with the idea that you won't spend any. No, you will spend some money and sometimes you spend a lot of time. So please understand the fact that to get value at the end of the day, you need to pay your dues. You need to give some sort of value to whatever it is you. That way, you make. You will make progress as you grow. So people that tell you don't spend money, don't do anything to make money, in my opinion, that's BS. If you want to really excel in anything, excel in any business, you need to give it a lot, which sometimes include money. Sometimes includes money. I hope you got value. This is Cash by Cheetahs. We make videos like this every single day for you so that you don't get broke ever again. Right? And if you got value from this, subscribe to the channel, bell button. Tell me if anybody think this might help. Leave a question in the comment section. And like I said, if you need extra value, extra information, extra resource, send a message to the WhatsApp number on your screen, and then we'll jump on it and guide you by the hand. Because that's what we do here. Thank you for watching again to this point. I appreciate the time you spend. Every second you spend on my video is very appreciated. And I'm here for you if you have any questions. Cheers, and see you in the next one.